Shyam, the official coaches and vice captain of the team were Srinath and Abhijit Kunte. But I think you also worked a lot behind the scenes. Could you tell us a bit of it, your role, what you did in these last 10 days?
Yeah, sure. So before the online Olympiad started, we had a 5 days camp in same Taj Coromandel. So like myself, Tanyadi, Bhakti and Vaishali were there. So we four were had a camp, mainly for world teams. At the same time, I was also taken care of online Olympiad. So it's a bit of both because world teams is over the board event and here it is online event. So I had to make sure I mix training properly. So that was my main job. And once the camp was actually during the camp, I was more of focused on the world teams. What are the proper board order I should set for the 5 people, and what are the openings. I was thinking, and we are discussing lots of strategies. What are the openings to do on all this stuff. Because there the time control is 45 plus 10 or something. It's not like a normal 90 plus 30. So it's a bit tricky stuff because 25 plus 5 is different. This 45 plus 10 is different. So it's a bit tricky stuff. So we did lots of strategies, and once it got over, then during the Olympiad, I had to take care of mostly Vaishali's preparation, Bhakti's, and also, of course, Savita. I trained her anyway, and also Vaishali. So I was
and also Harika, Hampi?
Yeah, of course, Harika and Hampi also. Yeah, it's like almost whole women team. But I was in more frequent touch with these girls. Hampi, I used to ask if she has any problems, she will send some files or she will ask something. So I did send her some couple of files in email. And with Harika she was also not well. So my responsibility actually doubled because
she's told in her interview that she would send the file over to you, and then she would sleep. And
exactly.
she'd be like, and because you both have a very nice rapport, because you both know each other since a long time, she could bank on you.
Exactly, yeah. That kind of added more pressure and more responsibility, though it was fun, of course. The thing is, in the earlier events, whatever material I send, they will of course recheck it to see if they have any doubts. But this time Harika said, whatever I send, she'll just see it and just play it.
Oh.
So that kind of,
So you had to be careful, because if you by chance had any lapse in your preparation, it could show on the board.
Exactly, it will affect the whole team, not just her board, it will affect the whole team. So in a way, it was kind of pressure and more responsibility. But in other words, it's also like, when someone trusts you so much, so it gives more happiness and pleasure also that, it gives more responsibility also that whatever I do, it should be done in a proper way. And of course, I should not give too much of material because she is not well actually. So I have to give the notes in such a way that she could understand it easily. I should not put lots of variations. And I just put simple variations so that she can see it and understand it right away. So I will also write some comments. Ki Akka, this move suits you well. If you are very fresh, you can play this. I used to give plan A and plan B based on her mood. Yeah, she can decide what to do.
Nice.
So that way we did. And of course,
were you sleeping?
Usually I used to sleep at 3 or 4 generally, and get up at 7 or 8.
Really? So I can see you are very tired.
Yeah, very very tired. Somehow all these days I was doing more of chess, so my brain was busy. Suddenly no chess work to do. I'm tired, very very tired, exhausted, very sleepy. So yeah, that's how it went to Harikadi. And the thing is about online Olympiad, we don't know whom we will play. So Harika should be ready for white and black with 2 or 3 opponents. So we were like, if plan opponent A comes, we'll play plan A, plan B. If opponent B comes, plan A, plan B. And it also matters on second must be.
Basically, you have to prepare against 6 opponents.
6 opponents and 8 different variety of openings. So choosing opening took the lots of time. As you said rightly, myself and Harikadi are close for I think more than a decade. We have worked a lot actually. So I knew her what kind of questions she would feel comfortable, what she don't like. So that made my job very easier. I could do the work in maybe 2 to 3 hours. The only thing is I had to recheck again and again with different engines to make sure whatever I sent is right and also it's crispy. So in that way it was with Harikadi. And Bhakti, Vaishali, and of course other.
You were always with them, even at the lunch, dinner table. You guys would sit together. I think you were discussing chess.
True. Yeah. Even in lunch dinner, because this is a large team. Yeah, we have I think 10 to 12 people are here, so it's very difficult for everyone to sit in same table. So mostly I used to sit with these girls whom I'm spending most of my time.
Shyam Upri guys in the chat. Shyam Upri.
that VDOP. So this is Sham OP VDOP effort, but wherever.
You are very tired. I mean, we can know, but yeah, you were spending a lot of time with the team and you were with
Yeah,
them.
yeah. So even for lunch, dinner, mostly we five used to sit together. We used to discuss for what openings to play here. And whenever I get time, I'll also ask, is that okay? We'll do for World Teams. I'll just have 2 minutes discussion because I'll just say okay, then I'll go ahead with my work because I don't want them to think too much about that. That will affect Olympiads performance. I'll just ask if this line is okay. They'll say yes sir, fine. Then I'll go back to my room and I will do.
And in between all of this, you also had some visa issues to think about because you have to go to Spain and your
Yeah.
visa is not done yet.
Yeah, that's another big headache actually. In between, I could not stay completely focused also because this visa thing is another big headache. I have to talk to few agents. I have to see what all flights are there, and I have to check the website visa appointments. Until now, I haven't got any appointments. I'm still trying, and I'm still desperate to get some appointment because the team is flying on September 23rd. So it will be more better.
You have only 5 to 6 days left.
Exactly, including I think it's a nearly week, including the 2 Saturdays, including Saturdays and Sundays. So it's very less time, but I'm just giving my best because even players feel that even I feel that.
Yeah, because you've developed such a bond and rapport with them by working
Exactly.
that if you are there in person, it could be very useful.
Exactly, because working from remote is also fine. It's always a plan B. But face to face, because there are 2 games in the day, like I think 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. something. If
So
I'm
they
here-
can't come back to the room.
Exactly, yeah. That's what happened here also. Here they had some 10 minutes gap. So before the game starts, I'll just tell Vaishaliki some important move order nuances just before the game. So same input, it could be more better if I am there.
True,
Because
true.
I can give some last minute move order inputs.
Well, I hope that you are able to solve your visa issues. But Sham, congratulations for bronze medal. You have contributed immensely. Although your name might not be there as a
That's fine.
official, yet you have played a big role. Thank you.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.